Would you be able to handle air conditioning repairs yourself? It wasn't long ago that something tripped my air conditioner, and it wouldn't turn back on immediately. After a minute or two of troubleshooting, I realized it wasn't something I was going to be able to fix. Even something minor like that can cause you problems when you're talking about your AC, which is all too important, especially during those summer months. Are you currently dealing with an air conditioner repair problem? You have to be careful when troubleshooting air conditioners, whether you're talking about a window unit or central unit. Many people leave this type of job to HVAC professionals for the most part. All I did was mess with the power source and try to get the AC to turn back on. I knew not to mess with the AC internally. What happens if you call during the summertime, and you find out that none of the AC companies can get to right away? That would be miserable, but it's a busy season. If you're up for doing a little troubleshooting and feel handy enough to do so, there are steps you can take. With all the resources online, DIY air conditioning repair is a possibility. If you're able to figure out the problem, you can even buy the parts yourself and save money. You just want to be sure you're doing the right thing every step of the way. Getting the parts all together and still having to pay the repairman and his service call fee might be a disappointment, but at least you will have tried everything. Furthermore, you will have saved a little money, which is definitely on your mind if your air conditioner is on the fritz.